Here at Cranbourne Primary School, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people, on which we stand today and recognize their continuing connection to land, water, and culture. We pay our respect to the elders past, present, and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing about Australia fair.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly. On Monday evening, I attended the Holt Student Excellence Awards ceremony held at the Cranbourne Secondary College Theatre, where one of our students in Year 6, Isha Pradeep, received a Student Excellence Award. Interesting enough, her older brother there, Aditha, was there, and he also received a Student Excellence Award. Now, Aditha commenced this school in Year Prep, the very first year we opened. And when he finished Year 6 at the school, he went on to Cranbourne East Secondary College. So it's wonderful that two students from the one family were recognised at the Student Excellence Awards. I know there's a very, very proud family in attendance with me. This week I've been involved in the student leaders interviews for the 2024 school captain and house captain positions. I want to say a really big thank you to Miss McGrath for all of her work putting the interviews together, and also a big thank you to Isha and Jivan, our school captains, who ran the interviews. So we'll be announcing those student leadership positions at our assembly on the last day of school. Just a reminder, children, that next Monday is a student-free day. Our teachers, I should say, will still be at school. They'll be planning the teaching and learning for all our students for next year, but the students, you are not required to attend on Monday. And my final two messages, you know what they are. If you are riding a scooter or a bike around the place, whether it be on the way to and from school or even out of school on weekends and after school, please ensure you're wearing a safety helmet, and please ensure the helmet, the chin strap, is securely connected. And finally, a reminder to read every single day, please, even on weekends. All right, thanks everyone, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
I'm going to say in Punjabi, please and thank you. Thank you is Tanwar, please is Kirpa Karo.
Guys, I made a fan for 50 cents, and in math we're learning about money, and my friend Adesh wants to buy it and keep it.
Hi, my name is Megan. Why does Humpty Dumpty love autumn?
Why does he love autumn?
Because he had a great fall.